welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how journaling can change your life. What's journaling? Well, journaling is the act of writing down your thoughts and feelings to understand them more clearly. In 2020, some psychologists at Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario, conducted a study to find out how many thoughts the average human has per day. And the results show that the average human has 6,200 thoughts per day. That's a lot. You have to clear your mind by writing down your thoughts. Of course, you don't have to write down every single thought from morning to evening. You definitely don't have time for that. One of the most difficult aspects of journaling is finding time to write. You can block off at least 15 minutes each day to write. According to some researchers, journaling for at least 15 minutes a day, 3 to 5 times a week, can significantly improve your physical and mental health. Write down both your positive and negative thoughts and try to find out their origin. In other words, the reason why you are thinking about what you are thinking about. With all, your thoughts create your feelings. If you think about something good, you will feel good. But if you think about something bad, you will feel bad. For instance, if you think about your favorite car or meal, you will feel good. But if you think about the day you will die or something bad you did in the past, you will feel bad. However, you should write down both your positive and negative feelings. I'm going to share with you 5 benefits of journaling. Journaling helps relieve stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can interfere with your daily activities, but if you write down your feelings, things will get better. Writing about sadness, anger, and other painful emotions helps to release the intensity of these feelings. By doing so, you will feel calmer and better able to stay in the present. Several studies have been conducted to find out how journaling can reduce stress and anxiety. And one study showed that homosexuals felt less stressed due to the stigmatization of their community as a result of journaling. And researchers at the University of Chicago showed that anxious students who wrote down their feelings quickly before an important exam had better grades than those who didn't write down their feelings. Another study found that psychotherapy patients who used expressive writing experienced more improvement and greater reductions in anxiety than those who didn't write in a journal. With all, given the uncertainty surrounding the COVID-19 pandemic, there's a lot of stress to go around. Journaling is an evidence-based strategy for coping with anxiety and negative feelings during this crisis. Journaling helps you understand yourself better. By journaling daily, you will get to know what makes you feel happy, confident, stressed, upset, or sad. You will also become clear about situations and people who are toxic for you. Ellen Eldridge, a journalist, found that journaling helps her understand what matters to her and what she wants out of life. According to her, she's been amazingly fortunate to find a spouse who is her best friend and advocate in raising children. And she attributes this and much more to what she learns about herself in keeping journals for years. That's a powerful testimony. Understanding yourself better can help you figure out and find your ideal partner. And journaling is a key to understanding yourself better. Journaling boosts your emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to perceive and manage your emotions and that of others. Journaling is an outlet for processing emotions and increases self-awareness. It helps you understand and manage your emotions and the emotions of others as well. This helps to make you more empathetic. Being able to get on the same page with someone is a mark of emotional intelligence and allows for a much deeper connection. Journaling helps you achieve your goals. A journal helps you commit your goals into writing, and writing down your goals makes you more likely to achieve them. A study has shown that you are 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. Expressive writing also helps you identify what you want. It helps you identify blocks that are preventing you from achieving your goals, whether that's fear, self-doubt, or limiting beliefs. A journal helps you affirm that your goals are possible. It helps you create a practical plan to achieve goals and break up big tasks into smaller chunks. A journal is a good place to write your goals, and by keeping them in a diary, you can monitor your progress and feel motivated to focus and act on your goals. Journaling can strengthen your self-discipline. By journaling, you are creating a habit where you are expected to show up. And self-discipline is a muscle which grows as you flex it progressively. When you set aside a time every day during which you are going to write in your journal, you are creating for yourself an act of discipline. Choose a time that will be easy to stick to, no matter how busy you get, like the second you get up in the morning or before you go to bed each night. The latter may be more beneficial as it allows you to recap and release the stresses of your day. Every time you show up at the scheduled time to your writing spot and put that pen to the paper, you are practicing self-discipline. The more often you practice, the better you will get at it. So these are the 5 benefits of journaling. In addition, once you've seen your thoughts on your paper, ask yourself whether they have a good impact on you or not. If you identify some thoughts that have a negative impact on you, then it's time to free yourself from these thoughts and replace them with new thoughts. I hope you found this video helpful, and are strongly encouraged to make journaling a habit. My name is EB Kevin, and stay tuned for the next video.